All right, next thing we're going to talk about here is your water meters. I'm going to show you what to look at your water meter, and then I'm going to show you how to test to see if you've got a leak between your water meter and your home. So if you go out in your yard, you'll find little meter boxes that look like this. Sometimes they're in your lawn, sometimes they're in the park strip. If you don't know where it is, call your local city. They'll come out and tag it. They'll tell you exactly where it is and they can mark it for you. So if you go over to your meter, there's a little locking nut on here. You can loosen that up and you can lift your meter off. Down inside, when you open that up, it's going to show you a bunch of numbers. Once you go out and you find your meter and you locate and you know where it's at, come inside your home and find your main shutoff valve. They're often in little cubbies in the walls, might have a faceplate over it, something like that, sometimes in furnace rooms. You got your PRV, this is your pressure regulator valve, and then you'll have a shutoff valve here. What you're going to do is come into your home and you're going to turn that shutoff valve off. That way there's no more water coming inside the home. You're going to come back out and to your meter, you're going to lift up that gate and you're going to look at the numbers on there. Look at the last 2 or 3 numbers and just make sure, give it a 30 seconds to a minute and make sure none of those numbers move. If they're ticking and it's continuing to read, you've got a leak somewhere between your meter and your home. So we'll go down here, we'll flip that open. Our last 2 digits, it's 7.16. And we could look at that for a while and check it. And as long as that number does not go up, you know you do not have a leak.